Hi, welcome to my channel, Arroyo JK. This is a tinkering division. Today I have, this is a Sony subwoofer SA-WP780, and this subwoofer came with the Sony multi-channel AV receiver STR900, and I took it apart. I had to clean it because I noticed some creature activity, and I'm just going to show you the woofer as I took it apart, and I'm going to be putting it back together. Here we have the back cover with the information on it. Like I said, it's a Sony model number SAW-P780 active subwoofer. Okay, so this is what the back part looks like. It's got all the screws. This is the main board. And here I have the box. Still got to clean it out a little bit. These two cables right here go to the little LED in the front. Actually, no, it's not an LED. It's a connector for the front. I thought the LED is on the actual cover, which goes right here. Here we have the cover. And it took a little forcing to take this out because it was actually glued. There's no other way to take them out. And that's the LED connection right there to the front. Okay, so that's what it looks like disassembled. The first step to reassemble this subwoofer, Sony subwoofer, would be to put back the speaker. So here I have the speaker, and what you would do is you put very easy. It goes that one. And that one. So when you're taking this out, if this one comes out okay and this one is too, it doesn't want to come out because it's too tight, all you do is you take a flathead screwdriver, you put it right there, and you twist a little bit, and this opens up. So squeeze a little bit downwards. Yeah, it's much more like it. And now be careful, don't poke any holes in this part here. Okay, and you want to have the cables facing towards that corner, like this, and just align. I guess that's not all. Yeah. Here we go, these big ones. Okay. Now the hole with the holes realigned, I'm gonna go ahead and use both hands to put the screws back in. All right, I got the last one here. Okay, so you're gonna start here, here, and then that, or see here. The thing is, you want to go crossed, and then the other two. Okay. Now we would do this. See that connector? Right there. That connector, that's where this is going to hook up to. So I gotta use both hands to do this real quick. Okay, you just align it and just push it in. It sets in very easily. I mean, it goes only one way, so you can't go wrong with that. All right, the cover has 6 attachment points. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All you gotta do is line the holes, and then you're just gonna make sure it sets in properly. All right, and to do the reverse, to take it out, what I did is I used a little metal plate I had like this. This is like a backing for something. I don't remember where I got this, but it came in handy. So what I did, it's got some little grooves here. I messed it up a little bit, but you put this in there, force a little bit, and then you put any kind of metal object in there, kind of thick like this, and then you start working it out like that all the way around until you're able to pull it out. So I'm gonna put more pressure on this. Okay. Make sure it's set in right. Alright, let me just get the other part ready. Okay, this is the back side of it. You want to have something like a rug or some paper or something on the bottom so your speaker plate doesn't get all scratched up. So now I know it's not gonna get all scratched up and everything. So we got these 2 connectors on the back. These 2 connectors. We have the main electronics in this right here, and they're going to go right back where the holes. So once you take it out, everything it just fits back into place. Okay, and let me go ahead and put all these screws back in, and I'll be right back. Make sure you put all screws in, but do not tighten them all the way down. See, just see, even like that, you put them all in. That way, everything fits. Because if you tighten 2 screws, then you might not be able to, or you tighten 1 screw, you might not be able to put the rest in. So now all I'm gonna do is just tighten all these screws up. Okay, everything's all good. Got this one is the big one. This connector goes right in there. The small one. This, okay, you got this connector is going to go right there. And then you got that other connector is going to go right back here. All right, you have it. There you have it, connected to both sides. So all that's left to do is align. Oh, I see what's going on. The power cable is stuck back there. All right. Now this falls right in the grooves right here. Okay, easy. All right, now you got all the screws over here. This is where it's very handy to have one of these magnetized screwdrivers. That didn't work. Okay, there you have it. All the screws are back in. Oh. There you have it. It's cleaned inside. No little creatures. It should be working. And that's it. It sounds good. All right. This is Arroyo JK Tinkering Division.